So today's video, I'm going to be organizing my eyeshadow palettes mixed with more glitter eyeshadows and basically like mini eyeshadow palettes. So don't mind me, I'm just in my robe and bare face. So if you like to continue watching, then keep doing so. So I have this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette, which I will be keeping. As you know, they have like a new formula, new look, and it's really, really beautiful. So I'm keeping that. And I have the Juvia's Place by, it's called the Festival palette. So I haven't given this enough love as like I have been meaning to, so I'm gonna make sure I use this because look at the colors, it's so beautiful. I have the Makeup Revolution and Iconic One, and I have used this but not as much as like I wanted to, like the Juvia's Place, but they're beautiful eyeshadows and very neutral, and yeah. I have this highlighter here from Wet n Wild called Air, and it looks just like this. And I feel like this doesn't belong here. I'm not sure where I'll put my highlighters, but I'm gonna put this separate somewhere else. I have the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and Ring the Alarm, which my friend gave me. So I still have to give that a lot of love. It's a great formula. I also have the Iconic 3 palette, which looks just like this. There you go, looks just like that. Colors 103 is still playing Christmas music, so I love that because Christmas Day still goes on after that day happens, so it's really nice that we still celebrate it. Anyway, I have the Wet n Wild Mythical Creatures palette. I have not used this at all since I bought it, so I'm gonna make sure I use that. The shades look just like this. Doesn't look that yellow, but it's really, really pretty. I have some Slick eyeshadow palettes, and this one is called Vintage Romance, which I was going to sell in my Poshmark account, but I just figured that these eyeshadows are I'm sorry, I'm blinding you guys. These eyeshadows are really beautiful, so like I'm not gonna like sell it because I should use these. I have the Del Mar Volume 2, and it looks just like this. Perfect for the summertime, so really, really pretty. And I have the Too Faced Festival Refresh spray, which I have not used yet since I bought it. This is like a glitter mist. Just gotta really shake it around. It looks just like that, which is super, super pretty. I can't wait to wear this when the weather gets warmer here. I have some hand sanitizers from the Dollar Tree, which you can never have too many, but they don't belong here, so I'm gonna take those out. I have the Not Basic Peach from Wet n Wild. It looks just like that. As you can tell, I have a lot of Wet n Wild because it's so affordable. I feel like they're beautiful eyeshadows and you can't beat the price to them. So I have quite a bit. And so this is the Nude Awakening palette. I guess I kept all my highlighters here together because I'm finding my Essence Nude highlighter. And I have some LA Colors. I have a couple of LA Colors here. I have more Wet n Wild. I mean, look at all these eyeshadows. Ugh, I have too many, and I feel like this is from Maybelline called Autumn Coppers. So I have an Elsa eyeshadow palette. So these are like, okay, these are all my Wet n Wild, LA Colors highlighters. I'm keeping every one of these because their shades are really beautiful, and I've enjoyed the formula to those. The Wet n Wild blush, that's Shade Shifter, and basically it looks like this color, but like when you blend it out with in your face, like it doesn't come out like this color. So I guess the color looks just like this, but it's supposed to be a blush, so I'm not sure how this would really work for me as a blush if it stays that color, so it's a little bit weird. So I have the Maybelline Lemon Craze and Soda Pop. I actually got this eyeshadow palette because my boyfriend is a Soda Pop to me. He's my Soda Pop. And if you get that reference, it's from The Outsiders. And my boyfriend looks just like him, so I think he does. So like, I just got this eyeshadow palette because of him, and you know, this eyeshadow palette is beautiful, so I have to give that some love. I have the LA Colors highlighter. I've got some blush from Flower Beauty. I have some Stila glitter eyeshadows, which are all beautiful, which I am keeping all of these. I've invested money with glitter eyeshadows, especially from Stila, and they're really, really beautiful. I find that Fairy Tale is beautiful, and all these are beautiful. They're like super, super nice, so I'm keeping all of those. These are highlighters from Maybelline, so like, I'm definitely keeping that. Wet n Wild highlighter, and I believe this is Reach for the Stars, so it looks just like this. More eyeshadows. LA Colors, I did a video on this, which was duping the Natasha Denona Sunset Mini Eyeshadow Palette, so I'll link that somewhere below. But this palette's really beautiful, so definitely keeping that. And the rest, the majority are Wet n Wild highlighters, which I can't get enough of. Their highlighters are just beautiful, and they have all kinds of shades. Like they have a white one, they have a purple one, a blue one, the gold bar, which is beautiful, This is the Walking on Eggshells eyeshadow. Some blush. More blush from e.l.f. Maybelline, which is a Sunset Bronze. CoverGirl, you can't go wrong with CoverGirl. This is the Soft Staple. Wet n Wild Baked Blush. Highlighter. This one's Blossom Glow, Humming type. And I've got some Dose of Colors eyeshadow palettes, which are really, really beautiful. I love the colors from these. They had one recently for their winter, from their winter collection, but I didn't pick up that palette. I find that I'm kind of getting overwhelmed with all of my stuff here. Like, this is really like a lot. And this is, I can't open the Ofra. Okay, there you go. This is the Ofra Donut Highlighter, which is really beautiful. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. This was not a declutter, it was just more like rearranging everything here in this case. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day and night. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.